Ever wondered why succulents and cacti are so popular among garden enthusiasts? These unique plants are renowned for their water-storing abilities, thriving in arid conditions where many others fail. With so many varieties, each with its own unique features, succulents and cacti make for an interesting study. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of these fascinating plants. Succulents come in a plethora of shapes and sizes. Shall we explore some of them? Let's start with the rosette-shaped echeveria, boasting its symmetrical beauty and vibrant colors. Moving on, we have the tree-like crassula, a great choice for those looking for a bit of verticality in their green space. And don't forget the trailing string of pearls, a charming addition with its pearl-like foliage. Each variety requires unique care to thrive. These are just a few examples of the vast diversity of succulents out there. Let's now turn our attention to their prickly counterparts, the cacti. Cacti, with their unique shapes and beautiful blooms, are truly a sight to behold. Ready to learn about some of them? Let's start with the towering saguaro, a symbol of the American Southwest, known for its impressive height and long lifespan. Next, we have the round barrel cactus, a resilient variety that thrives in harsh desert conditions. And let's not forget the colorful Christmas cactus, a holiday favorite with vibrant blooms. From towering giants to petite beauties, cacti certainly add a touch of intrigue to any garden. Aren't succulents and cacti fascinating? Their diverse forms and survival strategies truly set them apart in the plant kingdom. We've journeyed through their unique varieties, marveling at their resilience and beauty. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more botanical insights. Until next time, happy gardening!